English pronunciation. How to pronounce the R sound in English. Words that start with the letter R. Listen and repeat. Resume. Resume. Raise. Raise. Retail. Retail. Responsibility. Responsibility. Receive. Receive. Words that have the letter R in it. Work. Work. Hire. Hire. Currently. Currently. Experience. 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 First. First. Words that end with the R sound. Manager. 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 Computer. Computer. Mr. Mister. Never. Never. Labor. Labor. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go ahead and do some English pronunciation exercises to reduce your accent, to help you speak better English. So I want you to read each sentence out loud first before you hear me say it. Then you're going to listen to me read the sentence. And finally, you're going to repeat what you hear and correct your accent by imitating the sounds you hear more closely. Okay? So let's go. First you read it, then you'll hear me say it. I'm looking for work. Good. I'm looking for work. Are you currently hiring? Good. Are you currently hiring? Do you have any current job openings? Great. Do you have any current job openings? What positions do you currently have available? What positions do you currently have available? Good. Remember to try to improve your pronunciation by imitating what you hear more closely. Next. May I fill out a job application here? May I fill out a job application here? Excellent. Do you have any previous work experience? Do you have any previous work experience? Fantastic. No, this is my first job. Nope, this is my first job. I've done a little freelancing. I've done a little freelancing. Great. Yes, I was a manager at my last job. Yes, I was a manager at my last job. Fantastic. Next. I have a degree in computer engineering. I have a degree in computer engineering. Excellent. Next sentence. Here's a copy of my resume. Here's a copy of my resume. Nice. Moving on. I'm here for a job interview with Mr. Smith. I'm here for a job interview with Mr. Smith. Great. Good job. Next. Congratulations. I'm going to hire you. Congratulations. I'm going to hire you. Good one. Let's go. Can you start on Monday morning at 9? Can you start on Monday morning at 9? Fantastic. Excellent work. I'm sorry, Bill. This isn't working for me. You're fired. I'm sorry, Bill. This isn't working for me. You're fired. Good. Next sentence. You can't fire me because I quit. I never liked working here anyway. You can't fire me because I quit. I never liked working here anyway. Good. Great. Keep improving. Why did you quit working? Why did you quit working? Good. Moving on. They never gave me a promotion. They never gave me a promotion. Fantastic. Next sentence. I wanted the raise and extra commissions. I wanted the raise and extra commissions. Excellent. Very good. Remember, if you want more English lessons, go to shockenglish.com/BR. And remember to subscribe to this channel so you're updated automatically when we release new videos in the future. And please help us spread the word by liking and sharing these videos with other people who want to learn English. Thanks so much. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you have any questions or feedback, just leave a comment below so we can help you out even more, or tell us what you'd like in future English lessons. Bye-bye. Have a great day.